whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paperboy, evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but wait just around the bend. Everywhere you look, I hear the whole on to. Everywhere you look, somebody who needs you.
Get the fuck off my porch!
You're all alone. Life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Hi, honey, I'm home. Hi, girls. I'm sorry I'm late. At the last minute, I had to rush out to Oakland to cover a Warriors practice session. Traffic was miserable.
Give me a break.
Huh?
Don't me.
Huh?
You waltz in here 25 minutes late and expect sympathy?
Huh? Well, I didn't know you had...
I have cleaned the house and washed my and ran a daycare center for socially deviant munchkins and missed Oprah. Ran this one to a ballet lesson, this one to the dentist. No cavities, thank you very much. Do you realize that I have slaved over a hot stove so you could have a hot meal when you come home? Huh?
Jesse, I'm sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry doesn't change the fact that my chicken Tetris is ruined. Ruined. It's all dried out. But do you have the common courtesy to call me and tell me you're going to be 25 minutes late? No! I am an animal.